Everybody, so today we got a quick little video to do from Amazon, quick little unboxing, unbagging, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we're just going to unbox this real quick, or unbag it real quick. Try not to rip this because I'd like to keep this bag in case I need to ship anything back to anybody, or I need to send anybody anything in the mail. So I usually keep these bags because they got the bubble wrap lined in them. Here's the seal wrap that they took off the Amazon right there. That's the seal wrap that was right there. That's funny. There's a single rail in here from Olsa Tools. That's basically what was in there. Pretty big bag for a single rail. This is a 1/4 inch rail. Alpha Lima Sierra Roger 1/4, which is why it says 14, and then Yankee everything, or Yankee Ether. 14 means 1/4. There's 24 on here. Just pop it out the package real quick. I basically have every color: the red, the blue, the orange, the green, the yellow, and the purple. The only color I don't have is black, and the inside of my box is black. Got another sticker. Got a ton of these stickers. Just a quick little unboxing. This one's in way better condition than this rail. This rail was completely sealed in the bag. And it's got damage right here and right here, and it's got damage at the tip, and the cap's missing on one end. Luckily it has all the clips, but one end's missing a cap. So I already spoke to Olsa Tools about it. They asked me to send the photos. They're gonna send me another one out. They're very good about exchanges. They're even good about just sending you another, especially if it's one of these single rails. They're good about just sending you a single rail. You can keep the one that you already got, even if it was damaged. Also an update, might as well on this video because it's so short. This torque screwdriver set, it is made in Taiwan. Part number 1265. I did contact my contact at Olsa Tools. This one-piece torque screwdriver, and it supposed to come with a T-bar. This one doesn't have a T-bar. I contacted my contact, and he let me know that he will get me another one sent out. It's supposed to have the T-bar in it, and it doesn't. It's got the instructions and the certificate letting me know that it's calibrated, but no T-bar. So he's gonna get me another one out so I could put it to use, and also give you guys a video on it, and we'll go from there. Just a quick little couple updates, and if you guys, just to let you guys know, Olsa Tools is great about warranties. If it came damaged, you just contact them, take a couple photos, and they'll send you a new one out. Most of the time they'll let you keep the original one. All I asked my contact to do was send me just another cap. I don't mind the little bit of nicking and damage on it. It's got a little bit of damage on this side. Probably hard. Oh, you can see a little bit of damage there. You can see the damage there. And the damage on the corner, it's partially rounded, it's kind of sharp. I I would have just put the cap on it and put it in the box, you know. But if he sends me another rail, not a big deal. That's what he told me he was going to do anyways. I asked him, if you're going to send me a rail, can you send me just an extra cap? But this is just a 1/4 inch. I've had no problems. Every rail has came with the exact amount of clips. Whether it was 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, they all came with the amount of clips they were supposed to. 1/4 inch comes with 24 clips, which actually seems pretty appropriate, especially if you go from like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 consecutive with no skips. 24 is about what you could use on this rail. I think the max I was able to use was like 26, max 27, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See, the max I could put on, I have another rail that's actually, it's like 20 inches exactly, or it's like 19.4 inches, something like that. That rail fits 17 sockets with consecutive sizes up for 1/4 inch, 10, 11, these aren't consecutive sockets. So 10, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 24, 27, 30, 31, 32, and 33. So there's 17 sockets here. This is a 19.5 inch rail, somewhere in there. These are 17 something inch rails. So the 24 clips on the 1/4 is pretty good. For the 1/4 inch rail, I think the max I've gotten with clips on it was a max of, I think, 29 or 30 clips with 30 sockets, which wasn't bad. But this is the 1/2 inch rail. So if you take and you're doing like sockets this size, it comes with 16 clips for 1/2 inch on those Olsa rails. So you're gonna only be able to add 2 more rails, especially if you're going up in large sizes. And these larger sockets, the 33, the 32, and the 31, probably will not fit if you're doing consecutive with no skips. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, you know, 25, 26, about 27 is probably where you're going to stop if you're consistent with no skips, because it's not going to fit a lot of these massive amounts of larger sockets. So just an update, figured I'd give you guys. Appreciate you guys this time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. And please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon. Better yet, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. We'll be doing a toolbox socket video as well when I have all the rails in the toolbox. I just ordered 2 large Tecton kits for impact sockets, complete metric from 6mm to 38, no skips. I ordered that in deep and shallow. So we're going to be taking some of the sockets in that drawer out. We're going to be throwing them in the truck personal rig just to leave them in the personal rig. So we're going to be using quite a bit of these extra rails. Again, go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, and my Ohio Power Tool affiliate links. And at the very top of the description, I do have a Olsa Tools link. If you guys click on that link, it will give you 10% off your order, and because you click on the link, it will also kick me back availability to get 10% off my next order, which is much appreciated. If you guys want to get some socket rails or anything, go down and save some money and use that link. Appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!